We are in video making mode. And let's hide this. What color do we want to work on? How about blue? All right, so we're looking for the directed line segment. What does that mean? Well, the first thing I want to do, let's just draw it. Actually, I have some grid paper. Oh, maybe I don't. What is it? Yes, we have grid paper. All right, cool. So we're going to plot these points. -3, 2, and let's plot it over here. This is just so we can kind of visualize it. So we got -1, 2, 3 down 2 here. And then 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 1 here. And now we're going to just draw it. That's just a segment. Well, a directed line segment, and it says this is point A, and this is point B. A directed line segment, and this is really important. I'm starting at A, I'm going to B. That's what it means over here when it says A to B. So if I'm starting here, and I need to take this and partition it into for this first problem, a 2-to-1 ratio. All right? 2-to-1 ratio means, do y'all remember? How many parts is 2-to-1 ratio? 3 parts. So basically, I'm dividing this up in 3 parts. Let's divide it. Yes, divide it. That's fine. So I'm going to go 1. There's 3 parts. So I want to be 2-to-1 ratio. Just by my little estimate here, my point would be this point right here. And I think that's what it comes out to be when I do the math. My point would be what? 3, 0? That's what the point is. And that's just by drawing it with graph paper. Sometimes you probably could just do that. But sometimes it comes out to be weird, nasty fractions. I hate to say nasty, but it comes out to be fractions, and we have to kind of figure it out. So let's go through the steps. So to find this point, we're going to work on X first, and then we'll work on Y. So actually, let's work on them together. X and Y. For X, we're starting with -3. And we're going to end with 6. So -3 to 6. For Y, we're starting with -2. And we're ending with 1. Okay? So my first step for both of these are find the distance. How far is it from -3 to 6? How far is it, team?
8.
8? Is it 8? It's going to be 9. See why it's 9?
Yeah.
All right, so that's 9. How far is this one?
3.
That one's 3. That's step 1. Step 2 is the proportion. Since it's a 2-to-1 ratio, it's going to be this point right here represents 2 parts out of a total of 3. So that's your proportion, 2/3. And we're coming from this direction. That's really important because when we go backwards, we're going to do that later, we're going to be starting here. So your point would change. So now I'm going to multiply both of these by 2/3. So 2/3 times 2/3, which gives me, let's see, that's over 1. 18/3, that's 6. 6/3, that's 2. And then you're almost there. Last step. Add it back to start, right? Rest room, no problem. All right. So now I'm going to add these numbers to my starting number. Since my starting number was -3, -3 plus 6, which is 3. And this one will be 2 plus -2, which is 0. And that's my answer. 3, 0. Done. Is that hard?
Let me process this.
Now, if you practice, you got it has to be automatic. Because if it's not automatic, you're gonna forget. All of us do. Let me stop the video.